In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a social media account to Hootsuite. First, log into Hootsuite, open your browser, head to the Hootsuite website, and sign in with your credentials. If you're part of a team or organization, make sure you're using the correct Hootsuite account that has permission to add social profiles. It's also a good idea to enable pop-ups in your browser for this session because the connection process often opens a secure window for authorization. Once you're in, go to the area where social accounts are managed. Depending on your version of Hootsuite, this may be labeled social accounts, manage accounts, or something similar. You'll usually find it in the main navigation or under your profile or organization settings. This page is your hub for seeing what's already connected and for adding anything new. Next, click the option to add or connect a social account. This button starts a secure process called OAuth, which is the standard way most platforms connect. Hootsuite doesn't take your password directly. Instead, you'll sign in on the social network's official page and grant permission from there. Choose the platform you want to connect. You'll see options like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, X, YouTube, and more. Pick the one you need. Keep in mind different platforms offer different connection choices. For example, Facebook might let you connect a profile, a page, or assets you manage. Instagram often requires a business or professional account that's connected to a Facebook page. For LinkedIn, you can link a personal profile, and if you have the right permissions, company pages too. If you manage multiple brands, it helps to plan which profiles or pages you're connecting before you proceed. Now sign in to that social media account and allow Hootsuite access. A new window will appear where you enter your login details, complete any two-factor authentication, and review the permissions requested. If you manage multiple pages or profiles under the same login, you'll usually be asked to select which ones to connect. Grant the permissions Hootsuite requests so publishing, scheduling, and analytics work correctly. If you're already logged into a personal account on that platform in another tab, consider signing out first so you don't accidentally connect the wrong profile. Finally, confirm that the account is linked and ready to use. Back in Hootsuite, you should see the new profile listed among your social accounts, often with a checkmark or connected status. Open your planner or composer to make sure the account appears as a publishing option. If everything looks good, you're all set to start scheduling, publishing, and tracking your content from one place.